Now 4.2 we are doing. First question I haven't done because they are asking how many solutions does a linear equation have, and you all know a linear equation have infinite many solution. I haven't done the question. Now in question 2, write down the 4 solution for each of the following equation. Given equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7 and we have to find out 4 solution. I can write down this equation as y is equal to 7 minus 2x. If I substitute the value of x, okay, on substituting the value of x over here, I can find out the value of y. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5. We'll make the table and we'll write down the 4 solution. Directly also you can make the table and can write down the values over here in this table, or it's up to you. If you want to show the working, then you can show the working also. Here I am showing the working. In first question I am showing the working, in second one we will make the table directly. X1 we have taken, y is equal to 5. So x is 1, y is 5. If suppose I will take here x is equal to 0, second solution I am taking. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 7 minus 0, y is equal to 7. X 0, y 7. This was the second solution and 4 are required. If I take this y, x is equal to, I can take, suppose x is equal to minus 1. Here I will substitute x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 1. 7 negative negative positive, 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So x is minus 1, y is equal to 9 is the third solution. If I will take here x is equal to 0, if I will substitute x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. I think 0 already I have taken. Will not take 0, any another solution will take. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. So 7 minus 2 into 2, 2 2s is 4, which is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. X 2, y is 3. It's up to us only. We can take any 4 solution. Okay, here I have taken x is 1, 0, minus 1 and 2. It's up to us only. Okay, we can take any 4 solution. For any 4 solution, for any 4 values of x, we are able to find out the value of y also. Okay, we have to make the table and write down all the 4 solutions. It's up to you. If you want to show the working, you can, otherwise directly also you can make the table. Okay. Now similarly in second part also we have to find out 4 solution. Given equation is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay. Will not substitute the value of pi in terms of 22 by 7. Will write pi as it is. Okay. So y is equal to 9 minus pi x. We can write this equation like this way also. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Now we will substitute the value of x. We will take, let x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1, which is equal to 9 minus pi. First solution is x is 1. So y is 9 minus pi. Now second solution will take, let x is equal to 0. If we will substitute x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 9 minus pi into 0. 0 multiplied by pi is equal to 0. So y is equal to 9 is the second solution. X 0 and y 9 is the second solution. If I will take x is equal to negative minus 1. Again I will substitute the value. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into minus 1, negative negative positive, plus pi, 9 plus y. So x is minus 1 and y is equal to 9 plus pi is the third solution. We have to find out 4 solution. We'll take any another solution. In first one we have taken x is 1, second one here I have taken x is 0, and third one I have taken x is equal to minus 1. Suppose I will take x is equal to 2. Okay, let x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2. So 9 minus 2 pi. X is 2, y is 9 minus 2 pi is the fourth solution. Will not substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 because only we have to find out the 4 solution. If the question comes like this way, plot the solution, represent this graphically, then we have to substitute the value of pi also. If they are asking find out the 4 solution, don't substitute the value of pi, write down pi as it is and find out the answer in the term of pi itself. Okay. In third part, I am not showing the working, directly I am finding the solution. Here I made the table and directly I am finding the solution. If I will substitute, given equation is x is equal to 4y. If I will substitute y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 4 into 1, 4. Okay. Second solution, if I will substitute y is equal to 2. Y is 2, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to 8. If I will take y is equal to 0. Y is 0, 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, so x is equal to 0. If I will take y is minus 1, so minus 1, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, so x is equal to minus 4. Directly I have written this table, I have filled the table, all the 4 solution I have taken like this way, I haven't shown the working here. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to show the working, you can, otherwise simply directly like this way you can show the 4 solution. It's up to you only. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.